Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa inyong lahat. This is your mentor Neil, going back to my FB Live. So today guys, yung titingnan natin, yung re-review natin yung situation yon sa Forex market, especially sa watch list na tinitingnan ko. So as you may know, kung nagpa-follow kayo sa aking mga FB Lives ay meron lang akong ilan lang na watch list sa aking daily trading sa forex market. So dalawang index at oil, gold, and the rest are major pairs sa forex. So itong DXY at GXY hindi ko yan tinitrade but I am monitoring the behavior. So itong DXY is the dollar index, GXY is the Japanese yen index. So hindi ko yan tinitrade. I'm only using it for monitoring the price action. So anyway, so let's take a look at what happened to US 30. So just for your information, magtataka kayo kung ano itong pink, blue at gray. Ito yung mga first 3 hour session sa sa Forex. Pink is the Asian session, light blue is the London, and the gray is the US session. So itong mga yellow lines, yun yung mga inaabangan kong levels. Pagtamaan yan ay I need to watch how the price is reacting on those levels. At usually nasa mga order blocks yung mga mga levels na yan. But minsan kailangan ko nang i-delete yung iba kasi alimbawa ito tinamaan na pero hindi siya nag-respect. So I need to delete this one. Usually may mga alerts din nakaset dyan so that hindi ko kailangang pagmasdan yung screen ko all through the time. So may know, yung trading ko ay nasa very well defined time lang. So hindi ko tinitrade yung Asian session kasi natutulog pa ako niyan. London session, dyan ako nag-uumpisa. At I'm using the range that is created sa Asian session at kino-compare ko siya sa previous day high and low or US session range of the previous day. So for example, nangyari dito kay US 30 ay after hitting this is the US session high, previous US session high. As you can see, after hitting the US session high, we created an engulfing bearish candle. So itong at nangyari yan sa 8:15. So pag index after 8 AM ay maganda ng i-trade yung US 30, but I'm always looking for a pattern na kung saan ay tinitingnan ko yung kung maganda ba siyang i-trade during that 8 AM. So for example, itong US 30, so you can see it hits the high of the previous US session. So may mga stop losses dyan nakaset, na stop hunt sila, and then we created some double tops at 2 minutes, or mas klaro siya sa mas klaro yan kapag 1 minute right below the round number. So mas maganda kung nasa round number, pero ito it's already eating the high of the previous previous US session. Kung iangat ko tong yellow, ito yung highest point ng US session yesterday, and comparing to that point, you can see bakit bumaba to. Anyway, so meron tayong double tops dito, may engulfing, itong pin bar engulfing, and then entries right around here, breakdown, retest, and fail. So as you can see, kung naka-enter tayo dyan ay tuloy-tuloy ang price action papunta sa low of the previous session, Asian session, and hit pa yung round number. So that is a valid take profit point. So ano nga ba yung take ko dito kay US 30? So basically, I am looking for pullback towards the order block right here or here. So these are unmitigated order blocks. So dadalawa sila. Now I will raise this one to here. So meron meron siyang alert. Nakikita nyo, may alert yan. So pag tinamaan yung price na yan, so probably at 1440 of the Central Europe time, pwedeng tamaan yan, or 340 or 1540 Central European time, pwede yung tamaan. But of course, I'm also watching this level here. So dito sa may level na yan, ay valid din yan na possible na tamaan, and we are going to short this US30. Okay, so that's my second target profit naman is itong low of the previous day, or kung malakas yung yung momentum, ay pwede yung tamaan itong round number. Okay, so that's my take sa US30. So German 30, the same lang din yan. So actually same price movement lang yung nangyayari kay US30 at German 30. But during European time zone or London session, maganda rin i-trade yung German 30 kasi naka-fit siya sa on time siya sa London session. I mean the same time zone siya. So as you can see, I'm looking for a pullback towards here, which is actually very close to the round number, or kapag malakas yung momentum dito naman sa tops, and then I will go short to this German 30. Tingnan naman natin yung oil. So yung oil yesterday, I was looking for long yesterday. Long ako. Actually nakalong ako dito, but only 2 hour. However, yung I was still planning to go long, but hindi siya nag-hold sa green box na to. Ito yung pinaka demand zone or entry box, but instead tumagos siya with a very strong momentum. So let's check the higher time frame. Ano nga ba yung ginagawa ni US oil? So since na-break down niya itong entry box ko, so at also na-break din niya yung low dito, so might be that we are going much farther lower, and it can even go to this round number 93 or the low of this box. So, but I'm still hoping that this can still bounce right around this round number or here. But at the meantime, it's not good to short. I mean, it's not good to go long right now kasi napakalakas ng momentum ni US oil. So it can still reach this level or here. So, but anyway, look at it, and also another opportunity for US oil is a pullback towards here. It will become now from a support, it will become a resistance. So pwede natin i-short din yan US oil. So right around that 98 ish na level. This time it's not good to buy. There is no sign of reversal. Instead, it's a continuation pattern and might go to 93. Gold naman, gold, I'm actually waiting for a reversal pattern. Why? Kasi it just broke the previous day low with 1, 2, and 3rd push na already. So I'm looking at this area, but it's not yet the right time for doing a trade. So mamaya mga 2p after the opening of the US session, it might be a good opportunity to go long for US or gold. But right now it's still bearish, so wala pang sign of reversal. So let's take a look at the 1 hour time frames. As you can see, it's bearish. However, why do I say that there is an opportunity to go long? Kasi we have been pushing with more boxes, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the fifth push already. So this is, kung mayroon kang indicator dito, it's already oversold. So there is a chance that it can reverse, and also it hits the low of the previous week. So previous week with this is a previous week low, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pushes downward. So once we have some pin bar or engulfing, we can go long on this. But of course, if it is coming here, we also back to the round number. There is also an opportunity to go short. So I always check for opportunities in both ways. So not only that I'm only long, but I also look for opportunity to go short when the price is hitting previous day highs or previous session highs with 3 pushes with engulfing and pin bar. So those are my main criterias for my trading. So let's say naman, check naman yung Euro Yen. Euro Yen, I'm short in this. Actually, I could enter the trade on this today morning, and it hits immediately 2R. Now it pulled back and then setting up again another short opportunity. But it's already outside my time window for the London, so I'm going to wait for the US session. So first 3 hours lang ng each session yung ideal time na kung saan ay nag-enter ako ng trade. Right, so tingnan natin yung Euro Yen. Why is it that I am short on this? Kasi as you can see, this is the high of the previous month, this is the low of the previous month, PML. And we have been uptrending with 1, 2, 3, 4 pushes already upward. And then we are creating some peak pattern formation near the previous week high, 2 weeks high. Yeah, and then we have an order block here, which was almost hit, almost mitigated. So but hindi siya mismo, hindi siya tinamaan exactly. But if you look at the 15 minutes time frame, as you can see, this is our peak formation. This is the high box of the and it is set up at the previous day. Let me indicate that with the red box. So and then that's first high box, and this is the second one. So itong bullish, this trending move here or rally hit the high of this here, whatever is that session, let's check. That is the US session high with 1, 2, 3 push. That's why it was good to short, and the price was at the round number, and you can see there is a pin bar here. So if you were able to short that, we putting here the stop loss, and that was an amazing 2.69R. And I think there is still a chance to re-enter short once the price retests this order block or fill in that order block. And we will see, maybe at the US session it will set up again another short opportunity. Target will be the previous day low or this order block here. This round number. That's around 100 pips. This one was also short for me. I was able to short it today morning, London, so profitable. And now I'm trying to pull back after hitting the low of the Asian sessions. You can see with 1, 2, 3 candles and pin bar. So there is a chance that this is a counter trend trade, but the reward is minimum. So less kasi pwede siyang mag short again dito this level or at this level. So I will still go short on the Euro USD. Why short? Kasi pag tingnan natin yung 1 hour time frame, we have here price is 1, 2, 3, 4 pushes upward, hitting the order blocks right here and here. Not the one, but here. And if you go to the 15 minutes time frame, you see that this is the high box, second high box, and then we respected that order block and push downward. So this is a key area here for shorting. Okay, tingnan naman natin yung pound yen. So pound yen is just the same movement as the euro yen. So it's the same, short pa rin. Pound USD same, so I'm watching here again another short, but now it's bouncing after hitting the previous month low and this order block here, so this can be a bullish trade. However, hindi ako nag-enter nga ng trade if the price is already, I mean if the time is already outside my time window, so it's not my ideal time. So usually marami akong losses after if I'm trading outside my time window. So rather I will just wait for price to come here and see how it will behave in this area. Will it show to me some pin bar, then I will short it. USD CAD I was long on this, however hindi ako naka-enter sa pullback. So I was this was the entry box. If you check the green box, this is my low box, then second low box. I was waiting for a pullback to this, but hindi siya nag-pullback. Also dito nag-hesitate akong mag-entry. I was already looking to go long, but my order block was here, so hindi siya tinamaan. So instead nag-pullback siya sa high of the box. So next time, this lesson learned, pwede ko nang i-short, I mean go long at the high of the box and putting this stop loss below the green box. So kung nakapasok ako dyan, that would have been a very nice reward, which is around 4.39 hours, so would have been a good great trade. So anyway, marami pang opportunity ganyan, so we'll see. Okay, so thanks guys, that's all what I can say for today. So if ever guys that you are interested to learn my strategy, feel free to write me a message. I do mentorship to every trader who would like to learn price action and smart money concepts, the strategy that I'm using. And also if you would like to get my signals, then feel free to message me. Alright, so you can join my Discord channel here. This is the link. This is a free Discord channel, but if you would like to get my daily trading signals, then you need to subscribe to my channel. Alright, so that's all guys, and God bless to all of you.